Hi guys, welcome back. Are you looking to create ton of video content? So first thing first, this video is recorded with a Logitech webcam which I use. It's Logitech C920 and it costed about 6,700 bucks in Amazon. So I made the purchase. I have kept this Logitech mic in a small tripod. You could see here. It's a tripod, it's a selfie stick. It's from MI. Recently I bought it. It costs you about 1,000 bucks. By default, the audio which comes out from Logitech C920 is pretty decent. It's not great, but we are as of now using an external microphone. I'll show what mic I'm using for that and what is the cost. So now the video which you are watching is from Logitech C920 and the audio which is captured from Boya B1 mic. This mic, it's a lavalier mic. You have to connect it with the cord. It costs you 1,000 bucks. So how does this video sound without this external mic? Now you are hearing from the Logitech C920 mic directly from this webcam. I think it has got a stereo microphone. You can make videos with that mic if the room is silent, and it's good. Always ensure that the room is silent before you record a video. Make the place little bit soundproof. Sound is very important in any video. The video quality, people can compromise, they can tolerate a little bit with that, but audio, if it's terrible, they are not going to watch the video at all. Ensure that you have very good audio. I definitely appreciate the Boya brand for making these lav mics very inexpensive and with good quality audio. Look at this, it's a simple lav mic, and hello, check, it's very strong. So I usually clip it like half feet from my mouth, and it has got a simple controller, a setup here where you can adjust it for camera as well as for smartphone. This works with DSLR, this works with mobile phones, and obviously this video setup which I am recording right now, Boya, I have connected in my laptop's headphone jack, and Logitech is connected to my laptop directly, so the audio and video is recorded together. Now at a time, video and audio is getting captured. So what we can do, this is laptop, so the advantage of this system, currently the one which I am speaking with, is you need not worry about the memory space. Obviously your laptops will have better memory than your phone. You need not worry about the charge. You can always plug it in a power cord and you can directly use it. So charge is ensured, memory is ensured, you're not going to get calls in between, and no notification troubles, no file transferring. After the recording is done, directly you are going to access it in laptop and edit it, and you are going to finish the work. So now what is there for people who travel, who want to make video on the go? There is a simple choice again. So this mic works with mobile phone also. What you can do is you can use your mobile phone and connect this mic directly to your 3.5mm jack, and you are going to get very good audio in your phone. Hey guys, this is a direct footage from my phone, and the light is less. Even I am sitting near window. The time is 5 o'clock, so I don't have enough light. So usually to get good video you need good light and good sound. And so this is the audio which you directly get from this camera. Now I'm going to use another app to connect this Boya mic. Most of the stock Android camera app is not allowing the external microphone, so you have to install this app called Open Camera. Yeah, the app name is Open Camera. Once you install it, there is an option to choose external audio, and you can plug your lavalier mic directly to your phone. So now the app which I am using is Open Camera, and the audio which you are listening is from this Boya mic. I think the audio is picking up. This is another simple setup which you can directly use on the move, wherever you are. You can carry this mic in your pocket or in your bag. This comes with a cute little pouch where you can put this mic and you can travel. One messy thing about this mic is it's a lengthy cord. You have to manage it properly, and this is going to be very helpful if you are shooting outdoors with a DSLR. You have to stand a little far. Obviously it is helpful, but most of the time when you are making videos in home, you have to take care of this one, manage it. Okay guys, this is the sound and video which you get from the devices which you directly have. And okay, equipments are there. So what is important in a video? Most important part of the video is the message, the story which you are going to tell to your audience. Keep sure that story is ready, that script is ready. Usually I procrastinate by saying that I don't have proper equipment or this and that, but if I dig down deep, lack of preparation is what delayed my videos. So work on your script, keep the story ready, and these equipments you can easily get it in market. $1,000 a mic, and you always have your phone. $1,000 a tripod or a simple selfie stick, you will always get it. See you, and thank you so much for watching this video.